If you hear the pounding, that means the guys are working.
Hi, I'm Courtney Novogratz.
I'm Bob Novogratz.
We're both designers, we're married, and welcome to our new home. A lot of people think that he's more construction and I'm more design. He's more design and I'm more construction. So Robert and I bought this house a few months ago, and we're in the process of gutting it, and we're going to turn it into our family home. This is our very first time buying a landmark building, and we've always said we'll never buy landmark, but this house we had to buy. The neat thing about this house is it's only had 3 owners since 1826.
This is a pre-Civil War building, so it's like Abe Lincoln was alive when this thing was up. You have what they call party walls, which are walls abut to both neighbors. So when you're knocking things down and doing structural things, you have to be extra careful.
So it's very untouched. There hasn't been many years of renovations. The house had so much history, and the bones of the house and the energy of the house was so exciting and so positive, I knew we had to have it. And it's rare to find something like that still standing in New York City.
Take a look at this crazy room. It's spectacular. It's one of my favorites. The history of this house is right in Greenwich Village, so where all the creative artists, everyone gathered here, and apparently they used to come to this building. There was a few weddings here, a few famous artists, and so we want to open this back up to the community and bring the arts back or keep them alive and well. And it's just a really rare piece of property. You can't really compare it to anything on the street or in the neighborhood. This is incredible. This is actually the original zebra wallpaper that everybody loves. And how great is this? I've actually had the newer version in some of my houses.
I think everyone walks upstairs this floor we're in now and they're just blown away. I think it's the most challenging one to design, but it's the most spectacular room I've actually ever been in Manhattan.
The best part about the location of this townhouse, because we've done a lot of property in Manhattan, is the fact that it's dead center of the Empire State Building and the Freedom Tower right behind you.
Robert and I definitely have an eclectic style. We love a little bit of everything, old and new, modern and vintage. So we're gonna definitely honor the house, what it used to look like, kind of take a lead from the colors that once were here, take a lead from the exterior pink that's on the front of the house. Anything that we could save, we definitely saved, and we're just gonna spin it and make it fresh and new again. But this just felt right. It felt like it was untouched in a way where we could really get our hands into it and bring it back to life and honor the people that have lived here before, but we could also share it with our kids and family.